In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. Super quick guide. Hey there, and welcome. If you're here, you might be considering a clean break from your productivity stack. While it's always a little bittersweet to part ways with a tool that helps organize your work, I'll walk you through the process clearly and calmly so you can make a confident, informed decision. ClickUp is a powerful platform, and for many people, it becomes a central hub for tasks, docs, and collaboration. But if it's time to move on, the steps to delete your account are quick, straightforward, and only take a moment once you know exactly where to click. We'll keep this simple and focused. First, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace. You can't manage account actions from the outside, so start by logging in with your usual method. Once you're in, you should land on your main view, often called the overview or the dashboard for your workspace or team space. If you're part of multiple workspaces, glance at the interface to confirm you're in the one you expect. The branding, sidebar, or workspace switcher usually makes that clear. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there, typically a small circular icon. That's your anchor for user-level controls. Hover your mouse over it, and then click. This opens your personal menu. It's the quickest way to get to your profile, account preferences, notifications, and other user options without diving into different pages. From that menu, choose Settings. The wording may appear as Profile or Settings depending on interface updates, but the item you want clearly references your personal or account settings. Click it, and you'll be taken to a settings area or a panel will appear, depending on the layout. A menu will pop up containing your account-related options. This is where you can adjust personal details and, importantly for today's task, find the option to delete your account. Within that menu, look for the Delete option. It may be labeled Delete Account, Remove Account, or similar. You'll recognize it because it's usually distinct, sometimes highlighted in a different color, or accompanied by a warning icon to indicate it's a serious action. That's the Delete button right there. Use it with caution. Deleting your account is intended to be permanent and is not something to test casually. It exists for those moments when you're absolutely sure you no longer want the account associated with your data. Before you proceed, pause for a second to confirm this is truly what you want. Deletion is meant to close the door on your account, and once you take that step, you won't find the same content waiting for you if you return later. If you're cleaning up